Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can delete your videos in your X history, in your Twitter history, whatever you still want to call it. To this day, I still call it Twitter. But basically, you are going to slide your finger to the left, go to history. Yes, they did change bookmarks to history now. And then you are going to go to videos. I only have one video in my X history because there's barely any videos for me that are over 10 minutes, and they only save videos that are a minimum of 10 minutes. If you see videos that are just a minute, you might want to bookmark that because it's not going to go to your history. But if there are videos over 10 minutes, it's going to show up here. Basically, you're just going to have to select it one by one. If you have more than one, you do have to select it one by one, and you are not able to delete them all together. I'm still trying to figure that out, but I still haven't gotten the way to do that, I guess. That doesn't make sense. Probably I just woke up. It's 2 p.m. I'm aware. But I'm just going to press the video and remove from history. And that is the only way you will be able to remove videos from um, your history on X or on Twitter. But yeah, it only shows up when it's over 10 minutes anyways. So if you watch videos that are under 10 minutes, it won't show here. So that's good. But yeah, again, I still haven't found a way to delete it all at once. So X, Twitter, whatever, please add that feature in for the people out there. I don't really use it, but yeah. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is how you can delete your watch history on X. And again, only will go on your history if they are over 10 minutes. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Support this channel and bye!